Good morning, students. As I have taught you about microorganisms, friend and foe in last video, today I will teach you the most important part of this lesson as microorganisms and us, friendly microorganisms, making of curd and bread. Microorganisms and us. Microorganisms play an important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some others are harmful and cause diseases. Let us study about them in detail. Friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. They are used in the preparation of curd, bread and cake. They are also used in cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic wastes, vegetable peels, remains of animals, feces, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. Recall that bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines. In agriculture, they are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Making of curd and bread. You have learnt in class 7 that milk is turned into curd by bacteria. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. An important ingredients of rava, suji, idlis and bhatras is curd. You guess why? Bacteria and yeast are also helpful for fermentation of rice, idli and dosa batter. Yeast produces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the duff and increase its volume. This is the basis of the use of yeast in the baking industry for making breads, pastries and cakes. Commercial use of microorganisms. This is very most important part. Microorganisms are used for the large scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crust, fruit juice, etc. This is the smell of alcohol as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. I have written some question at the board. You have to watch carefully. Name the bacteria that convert milk into curd. Name the bacteria that convert milk into curd. Lactobacillus bacteria converts milk into curd. ये बैक्टीरिया का नाम है कि दूध से दही में परिवर्तित करने वाली बैक्टीरिया का क्या नाम है? लैक्टोबैसिलस बैक्टीरिया. What is fermentation? It is very most important question. Fermentation क्या है? Fermentation is the process in which a substance break down into a simple substance. Microorganisms like yeast and bacteria usually play a role in the fermentation process, creating beer, wine, bread, kimchi and other foods. This is the answer of this question. अब अन्य प्रश्नों के उत्तर और अन्य इसके इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट मैं बाद में अगली वीडियो में पढ़ाऊंगा. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.